Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and digital currencies. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: how to send Dogecoin from Uphold to your Phantom wallet in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this guide will keep you ahead of the curve and make the process smooth and secure. Whether you're holding Dogecoin for fun or investment, transferring it to Phantom, a popular wallet for Solana and more, can give you better control and flexibility. First things first, before we dive in, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need an Uphold account with some Dogecoin in it, a Phantom wallet installed on your device, and a basic understanding of crypto wallets. Oh, and don't forget to have a little SOL on hand for any potential network fees, as Phantom is built on the Solana blockchain. Let's get started with the steps. Step 1. Open your Uphold app or website and log in securely. Once you're in, navigate to your Dogecoin balance. It's usually under the Assets tab. Just look for the Doge icon. Step 2. Select your Dogecoin and choose the option to withdraw or send. You'll see a field for the recipient's wallet address. Now, switch over to your Phantom wallet app. Open it up, go to the Dogecoin section if it's supported, and copy the wallet address. Pro tip: double-check this address to avoid any costly mistakes. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 3. Paste that Phantom wallet address into the recipient field on Uphold. Enter the amount of Dogecoin you want to send, making sure it's less than what you have available. Review the details carefully, then hit confirm. You'll get a confirmation prompt, so take a breath and make sure everything looks good. After you send it, keep an eye on your Phantom wallet. It might take a few minutes for the transaction to show up, depending on network congestion. If you run into any issues, like an error message, check that you're using the correct network. Uphold might default to a different one, so ensure it's set to Solana for compatibility. And just like that, you've successfully transferred your Dogecoin. This method is straightforward, but always stay vigilant with your assets. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.